So in this video, I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about variables and review some of the concepts that we had just gone over in the last video. So let's hop on over into Bash, load up IRB. So now we can write some Ruby code. So we saw before how to set variables. Setting a variable, call the variable name, set it equal to something, and write a value. So we have 200. Now, if we want to get that variable's value back, we just type the variable name and press return. So if we want, we can also overwrite this variable because of the scope that it's in. So if we set coins equal to 300, coins, the variable coins is now no longer equal to 200, doesn't even know 200 exists. It is just 300. We call coins again, we get the return value of 300. Now let's clear our command prompt, Command K again, and let's view a new concept within variables called like data encapsulation. So we still have our coins variable, 300. Now let's set a new variable, we'll call it $bills. And we'll set that equal to 1,000. Got the big bucks, just got paid. So we have these two variables, and let's use these two variables to set another variable. We'll call this total, and we'll set it equal to coins plus $bills. And you can see that that gives us the, that sums up the value of coins and the value of $bills into this new variable total, which is equal to 1,300. So if we get that value back, 1,300. Same thing as if we had done, let's call this other total equal to, well, we had 300 plus 1,000. This is the same thing. But we were able to use the variables that we had to do this instead of having to outright type 300 and 1,000 every time. You know, so if you had a value of mil and you set it equal to 1,000,000, you know, then you have this value mil that you can use as a replacement for million anywhere within your code. It keeps it makes your life easier as a developer not to have to type out 1,000,000 every time, and you could just type mil and get that value. So in this video you saw how we can overwrite variables, how we can get and set variables, how data encapsulation works with variables, and we learned maybe one or two other cool things. Now we will advance to the next lesson, but we will build off of this variables video that we just went over.